Everlove TV right here at Keta Municipal Assembly, and we are right here at the forecourt of the Keta Municipal Assembly, right to see what exactly is happening today. You know, Honorable Gemegah was nominated by the president, so we are here to see the confirmation at the Keta Municipal Assembly.
Count you by your hands. Coordinating Director, do the counting. Do the counting. Authority to appoint 1/3 of the members of the House that will endorse the nominee. I am of the opinion that if the government appointees cannot be sworn in to exercise their franchise and duty, I would like to appeal to this House to adjourn indefinitely. Thank you, President.
Of this House, we need just 1/3. We need just 1/3 of honorable members to be in this August House for us to conduct a business. That is under Section 18, Subsection 4 of the Local Government Act at 936, as amended at 950/2017. And the section is telling us that the proceedings of this House shall not be invalid due to the fact that a member of this House is absent. And again, due to the fact that a member who is qualified to be in this House is not in this House. Due to the fact that a defense of appointment of a member of this House. So, Honorable President Member, I'm putting it to the Regional Minister that this House has a quorum. We are here 23. Our quorum is just 11. We are 23, and we are far beyond the quorum. And if the minister is trusting us in this House that is going to report that to the president, we the elected members plus the one appointees, we are capable of voting right now to confirm Mr. Emmanuel Gemegah. Thank you very much.
This is the 15th and 16th assembly that we have had. So we are doing one more. We are left with Amalgam. So this is the 17th assembly that we have come to appeal to you to endorse the president's nominee. And the other places that we went, some items were inserted into the agenda that were not on the agenda that was put on the invitation letters. Assembly members passed resolutions to insert those items on the agenda. And from what I've seen from the 60 so far, what I've witnessed here never happened anywhere. That's what I'm sure. What happened here never happened anywhere. So I am appealing to the members of this House. I'm appealing to the honorable assembly members that I've withdrawn what I said the first time. And I want to make a special appeal to you that the president has nominated Honorable Gemegah for you to endorse, and the president also has an interest in his endorsement. And therefore, the law requires the president to appoint 1/3 of the electoral college that will have to endorse it. And I don't think that this House will be very fair to the president if we go ahead to exclude the president's appointees in this exercise. So I want to appeal to you, if the members can go to a committee, then we would beg to withdraw from the chamber so that you can, it will be members only to think about the decision they are taking, and I would appeal to them to review it so that we can go ahead to endorse the nominee together with the government appointees. So, Honorable President,
I'm going to assembly members who are government appointees who are any Johnny Elba, any MPP, or NDC, and economic available. Any Johnny, any member, Keta, Hon Gemegah, even Coca-Cola, any banana, I do have machine. But I live over the tap of people of the area. Yellow communication. But Shaman won't temper. Yet, you never abandoned that for Keta, that 100%. Keta, but to ready blood over even that community. That I get. But ye, you don't want to, you have to dash and yes, yeah. But Keta ni bakul. Keta pada tu bapa ye, ni bakul. Ala benda jiru baru kaji lagi bakul asli lepas. Yang tak mau zon aku kerja aku, yang aku nak muda, kerja aku Keta aku deh. Dah ayat yang muda, ayat berwisa, berapa orang Keta, ada lagi Keta pro ni apa? Apa yang berapa?
What's the newsman, joint news this evening? The Keta Assembly gives the president nominee massive endorsement. Yeah, come on. Hey, come on,